We are getting some breaking inputs now. In the Renuka Swamy murder case, Times Now has accessed visuals of all the accused. These accused have been, remember, remanded to police custody. 4 of them, in fact, were taken to the crime spot for inspection. In the Renuka Swamy murder case, apart from Darshan and actor Pavitra Gowda, 11 individuals have been arrested and they've been sent to police custody. Those on your screens are visuals of all the accused in the murder case of Renuka Swamy. They have been sent to police custody and some of them were taken for inspection to the crime spot. We have Deepak joining us with more details. Deepak, on the screens are visuals of all the accused who are involved.
Well, yes, yesterday, of course, we had put out the details of all the 13 accused right now who've been, of course, taken into custody, including Darshan, Pavitra Gowda. Now pictures of about 8 of them emerging apart from Darshan and Pavitra Gowda and a few others. We've also, of course, spoken to one of the owners of the spot where, or the plot where the crime allegedly took place, where this individual, Renuka Swamy, was taken, beaten up, tortured, and then eventually he succumbed to his injuries there. We visited that location too, and the owner of that plot goes on to say that Darshan and Vinay, who's a relative of his, in fact had access to this plot, knew the people, and that's why they were given access into that particular plot, which is usually used to park seized vehicles. So when we look at this entire development right now, the police, of course, are taking some of the accused to the spot where the body was found, also to this location where he was allegedly beaten up. So the investigation is going on in full swing. There is also at this point in time, an angle that's being looked into about, whether there was money being offered to people to actually go ahead and surrender before the police. So all of these aspects will, of course, come into the picture very soon.